Good evening. I am Associate Professor Phambili Shai, and I am honored to receive the South African Medical Research Council Scientific Merit Award in the Bronze Award category. I am a gender and health scientist, and I currently serve as the Unit Director of the Gender and Health Research Unit at the South African Medical Research Council, and as an Honorary Associate Professor at the University of the Witwatersrand School of Public Health. For more than 25 years, my work has focused on gender relations and gender-based violence, with my research involving measuring the extent and drivers of gender-based violence, as well as designing, adapting, and rigorously evaluating behavioral prevention interventions to reduce violence and lower associated risks like HIV infections. I've co-designed 8 behavioral interventions, with 7 having been evaluated using randomized controlled trials, as well as quasi-experimental designs. Some of my work has contributed to international and low and middle income country learning, including my role as technical advisor to the UK-funded What Works to Prevent Violence Against Women and Girls initiative. There, I supported the design, adaptation, and evaluation of interventions that combine gender transformative approaches and economic empowerment in Nepal and Tajikistan. This initiative worked to build on evidence generated in South Africa through the Stepping Stones trials, where we were focusing on preventing violence and HIV risk behaviors among young people. In South Africa, I've been committed to bridging research, policy, and practice. I advised the presidency during the development of the first National Strategic Plan on Gender-Based Violence and Femicide, particularly strengthening prevention. And I co-authored the National Integrated Femicide Prevention Strategy, which guides the national response to femicide. During COVID-19, I chaired the Solidarity Fund's GBV strategy, helping to ensure that national funding decisions were anchored in evidence, supporting large-scale NGO allocations, and strengthening prevention work in practice. In my current role, I divide my time between leadership and research, sustaining the unit's strategic direction and administration, while also serving as a co-investigator on several studies, including one where I am leading a project that amplifies adolescents' voices on safety and well-being, where we are working in Gauteng schools using adolescent-led approaches to strengthen how we measure adolescent violence, based on the feedback we get from young people about what questions to ask and how to ask them. This recognition is deeply meaningful, and I receive it in acknowledgement of the incredible team I work with, the colleagues I have collaborated with, and the women, children, families, and other individuals who have shared their experiences in hope that one day we will realize a world without gender-based violence. Thank you very much.